Hey guys, in this video we'll see what are templates, what are blocks, and how to save your own template design and how to import and export the designs, right? Let's create a page called template just for this video. Let's name the page as template and set the attribute to Elementor canvas and then hit publish. Open this page with Elementor editor. All right. Now, you are already familiar that how to use these widgets that are available on the left hand side of the editor, right? These are the widgets available, and by using these widgets, we just drag and drop it here on the right side and create our designs. And this is how we used to do till now. Now, I'll tell you a shortcut as well. The Elementor, once you purchase the Elementor Pro plugin, you also have access to templates designed by experts already. If you click here in the folder icon, this pop-up comes up. In this pop-up, and this pop-up can be divided into three main sections. First is blocks, and second is pages, third is my templates. Inside blocks, what we have is we have pre-designed sections in the sense particular component in the page are already designed by the official Elementor community, official Elementor team, and then they have added it over here so that we can directly use it in our designs. How to import this design in our page? Let's see. Let's say we want to use this particular design called as contact us page. So I'll just click here on insert, and that design will be inserted on my page that I'm currently working on, right? Let's say if I didn't like this design, I'll just delete this section, and again go to folder and again search for other sections that you like or that you want to import. And there are so many sections, right? So how to organize it? You have a simple option. Just go here on top, and inside this drop down you have options to select what you are looking for. Let's say if you want to create a team section, then there is a pre-designed set for teams. Let's say you want to design a subscribe now section, subscribe to newsletter section, you have some design. And if you want to create some testimonial section, then you have some designs. Similarly, you can explore these options. If you want to create about us section, then you have certain designs. Let me just import this design. I like this because it's clean. Let's just insert this and see how it looks. All right. So let me keep the background as white and see how it looks. Much better now. Now you can change every part of this section. You can customize the header, you can customize the text, font family, font, you can change and customize this paragraph, you can change and customize buttons, and also you can customize this image as well. What does this mean? This means that the blocks that you import from here, each and every part of these blocks are customizable, which is the wonderful part, because these blocks are created from these pro versions itself, these widgets itself, so that you don't have to start from scratch. If you already have the design in Photoshop format or Figma format, then you can see those designs and create it using these widgets. But then if you are creating it from scratch directly on Elementor, then probably you can just see if the design foundational design is available here or not. If there is something that you like to insert, you can simply insert it from here. Let's say here I like this block section, the FAQ section under this block, I'll just insert it. Of course, the color schema is different. Let's say our dominant color is blue. Then what I'll do is I'll change this button color into blue, I'll change this heading into blue, and then I'll change this background into blue, so that that way we can customize the designs, right? Now all you need to do is click on update and your designs are ready. See, within a fraction of seconds you have created this design, right? Isn't it amazing? So now blocks, you have understood the concept of blocks, right? Blocks are nothing but a particular section you have, you can directly import it from Elementor's template library. Now what if you want to create an entire page? Are there any options available? Here under pages option you can see new, trend and popular. What are new designs, what are the trending designs, what are the popular designs. Also you can scroll here and see by yourself. There are hundreds of designs available over here, and you can just with a click of a button you can simply insert the entire design into your page. Let's say you like about us page, then you can go to pages and then here you just need to click on insert. The entire page will be imported on your website. Right? Now you can go ahead and customize the design. Like say if you want to change the background, if you want to change the font size, font width, font family, and you want to change the image, then you can go ahead and do it by yourself. And all you just need to do is click on update so that your page is live. See how easily we can create sections by using pre-made templates. Let's say this is the design that you have created by your own, right? This is your own design. You did not import it from any blocks, and you just created it completely all by yourself. So now you know that this particular section you might have to use it later as well in other pages in the same website. Then you will have to save this particular section as a template. How to do that? You just need to select this section, right click and click on save as template. What will happen is you just need to name it custom block 1, click on save. Now here this is your block where you have saved the design. Now what if you want to save the entire page? How to do that? Complete page if you want to save, then go here in save options, select and click on save as template. This will save the entire page. And now you can import this just like other templates that are already available. Now later on, if you let's say this is a different page, and if you go to folders and then from blocks, you can import the blocks that are provided by Elementor team. Pages, under pages you can access the pages that are provided by Elementor team. Under my templates, these are the list of templates that you have created and you have saved, right? This is a section, this is a section, this is an entire page, this is a section. So whenever you want to insert the entire design, you just select which one you want to insert and click on insert, and then the complete design will be imported back to your page. Now how do you export the design? Export in the sense, how do you let's say you want this particular design to be used in some other website. in some other server. How to do that? You just need to access this library and see which design you want to use later on in some other website, and click here on the three dots and click on export, and this particular design will be exported in a JSON format. You need to save it. Now this file you can use it whenever you want. And how to use that? Once you log in into your new website and open this same library, and here you have this button called as import template. Click here and select that file and click on open. Your custom block will be imported once again. This is how you export the design. This is where you import the design, and this is where you access blocks in the sense pre-made section designs, and this is where you insert the complete template library, access complete template library, and in under my templates, this is where you can save your particular section or entire page. So I hope you have understood, and in the next video we'll see how to create headers and footers, right? Thank you very much for watching.